Most HVAC decisions don't feel difficult when they're calm. They feel difficult when they're rushed. And once your furnace fails in extreme weather, everything speeds up. Appointments speed up, quotes speed up, conversations speed up. And your thinking speeds up too. That's what makes decisions feel harder. Not because you're incapable, not because you don't understand, but because pressure narrows your focus. So the real decision isn't how do I make the perfect HVAC decision? It's how do I protect my thinking before pressure shows up? It means understanding your options before you urgently need one. It means knowing who you would call before you're cold. It means having at least a general sense of what matters to you: stability, budget range, efficiency, long-term plans. You don't need to decide today. You just need awareness. Because when awareness exists before failure, pressure has less control. If your furnace stops working in January, you may still move quickly, but you won't feel trapped. You won't feel like you're choosing in the dark. You'll feel like you're executing a plan. And that's the difference. Pressure compresses thinking. Preparation protects it. Thank you for watching. Stay comfortable, and please, stay tuned.